Love comes anytime to anyone, and sometimes hurts like my love is only secretly to my best friend. Every second, minute, and even hour, I'll always look at him. When I sit on the bed after waking up,
How do I express to him when I express my feeling? Will he stay away from me?
why? Why I still think about him? He and I have been friends for almost 5 years, but my feelings lately angry to me. I always think about him.
Is this the right time to express my feeling to him? If I chat him, how I start the conversation? I think I watch YouTube. It's the best time. Maybe I can forget about him.
泰罗老师带着同学们来到了奥特之山里郊游。
Oh my god, it doesn't work. I still think about him.
My best friend is someone who I like. I'm so confused.
Inaya, send voice message.
Hey Kansa, I want to tell you, today I will meet with Jeffrey.
Where are you going to meet Jeffrey? In the park? Inaya still recording audio.
Sorry, I only tell you when I was definitely going to meet with Jeffrey.
Do you like my best friend?
Yes, I like your best friend. If I don't like it, surely I won't be this happy to meet Jeffrey. Pray for me, hopefully it will go well.
Oh, okay. I hope you enjoy with my best friend. And oh my god, no. Do you will go with my best friend right now?
Do you like Jeffrey?
No, I just asked you.
It's okay if I meet your best friend.
It's okay. Have fun, Inaya, with Jeffrey.
You don't like Jeffrey, do you?
No, I'm with Jeffrey, just best friend.
Oh, okay, that's good.
Okay, Naya, you can go right now. Have fun.
Okay, Kansa, thank you.
I think I can with my best friend. Maybe my feel just best friend. Not can more than best friend. It's okay if Jeffrey with Inaya. I hope Jeffrey can happy with Inaya.
It turned out that my best friend, Jeffrey, had loved my friend Inaya. Finally, I can only love in silence because I don't want to ruin my friendship. Loving does not mean having to. I'm happy when I see he's smiling and he's happy. Who will be my partner? I can only pray to my Lord. And whoever my best friend's partner, I hope he will be happy and can love his partner. I will be safe, my feeling, and I'm with Jeffrey will be best friend forever.